You don't get. Do you get how angry I was? Do you understand? Do you really understand how angry? I don't think this is doing justice. But this is a very sophisticated crowd. So maybe if we jazz it up a little bit, you'll understand how angry I was. No, let's jazz it up. No. Looking at the time and it's 12:15. Still all alone and I'm trying to ask myself. Sick and tired of getting caught up in this business. Ladies, if you with me, can I get a witness? Now why you causing me distress? You're coming home so late cause you're with your mistress. How these niggas how they don't roll like that? How these niggas how they don't blow like that? It's time to go, my time isn't wasted with all this game to things. It's just my basic necessity. You don't even have the decency to beat me, I'm asking you again. Are you getting how angry I was? You know, it's not there. I just have to show. Marasta Murigo. Right. Sure! One like them love you, one them the piazza shredder, they match up on your water. Them love you, what them repair to shreds. Them a jump up on your water and left your feet. And them are your friend who you depend back some way back when. But if you get on your back, then you must feature in them and up with them do. Dig up, yeah, you want them sticking like glue. I think it's been bad.